Welcome to the Switchblade Instructional video. In this video, we will learn how to install a blade before and after trailering. This video also includes operation of the Switchblade control panel, as well as basic navigation of a Switchblade enhanced watercraft. A few simple tools are required to assemble the Switchblade to its frame. To attach the blade, remove the bolts from the Switchblade pivot. To ease installation, it's best to make sure the blade is at its lowest setting. Attach the upper bolt, followed by the lower. Make sure to tighten both bolts, but there's no need to use a breaker bar. It is recommended that the switchblade be removed when trailering for more than 10 miles. To remove the switchblade, back out the lower bolt followed by the upper. Make sure to reinstall the bolts in the switchblade pivot. An advantage of the switchblade is its ease of use. For basic operation, just turn the switchblade on by touching the top button. Then select the desired position of the blade and you're ready to go. There are 6 settings for the switchblade, including neutral through 5. You can see how different positions on the interface relate to positions of the blade. When water skiing or general cruising, use of the neutral position is recommended as it will result in the best performance of your boat. The Switchblade Auto Launch feature will automatically put the blade in the neutral position when a rider has fallen. When you pull up your rider, the blade will return to its previous position. The auto launch feature engages 8 seconds after the engine is turning 2000 RPMs or greater. At slow speeds and while docking, the switchblade can offer increased maneuverability to your inboard watercraft. Since the switchblade rotates freely on its pivot, it can act as a secondary rudder. For example, while reversing, if the blade kicks to the left, the boat will turn to the port side. Without the switchblade, this would not be possible. You will be able to take full advantage of the additional benefits of the switchblade with a little practice. Until you are familiar with the additional maneuverability of your Switchblade enhanced watercraft, care should be taken while docking and backing up. Thank you for taking the time to familiarize yourself with the Switchblade. We hope you enjoy the most advanced wake enhancement system on the water.